The Bird and the Giraffe. Once upon a time, there was a giraffe and a bird. "Hello," said the giraffe. "Hello," said the bird. "Do you want to play?" "Yes, yes," said the bird. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's time to look for the bird. Where is it? Is it here? Oh, maybe it's there. Are you the bird? No, no, no. We are the ladybugs. Where is the bird? Bird. Are you the bird? No, no, no. We are monkeys. Ee-ee-ah-ah, ee-ee-ah-ah. Oh, are you the bird? No, no, no. We are rabbits. Look. Are you the bird? No, we are snakes. Look. Psst. Where is the bird? Bird, where is the bird? Tick, tick, tick. I'm here. The bird was on my head. Let's play again.